Apple's moving lower in the pre-market again. BofA cuts to neutral from buy, cuts the target from 185 down to 160. Wamsi Mohan this morning saying Apple shares, quote, have been perceived as a relative safe haven. However, we see risk to this outperformance over the next year as we expect material negative estimate revisions driven by weaker consumer demand. He'll join us in the next hour. Jimmy says this has already played out in services and soon we'll see it in product.
Well, very strong analyst. I know that it's easy to shoot Apple down given the fact where the other stocks are. My concern is that people will sell on this and then not be able to get back in during the next product cycle. We know that China is, I'm going to call it a disaster, okay? And we saw a BofA cut. I've done a huge amount of work on Apple in the last 48 hours. It does not confirm the negative thesis. It confirms a mix. Inventory bubble, definitely, in low end. Very difficult to get high end. Now, David, the high end phone is where the money's made.
Yes.
The services, what?
Right. Margins are even better on the high end.
Right. But I mean, we've seen this play out time and again. People want you to. Now, look, he's
what
a great.
About China, Jim? It's
no,
20. China's 20%, right? 20% of sales.
It's not good.
And again, we talk about the lockdowns and the zero COVID policy, but the impact that it has had, we may have not focused on enough. Because when you talk to CEOs who do business there, they will tell you it's their number one concern.
Sure, because each week it seems like business gets worse. So if you were at the beginning of this, they were still selling a lot of Apples, people were buying. But now, no, people just are very dispirited.
So could it be a result simply of that?
I think so.
Lack of demand in the Chinese market?
I think that's underestimated. It's the swing, absolutely. But the good side for Apple is the T-Mobile versus Verizon ATT. Because Verizon ATT needs you to get that phone. You can't get the higher-end phone until, they say, late October. I'm being quoted November for the high-end phone. So, I mean, in that sense, there's something going right there. But China, I mean, I hope we get more people on to talk about China because what's happening in China is unprecedented. I mean, you can't lock up people this long. Are they going to? The word is that they're going to stop the lockdowns after Xi gets elected. But with reelected, with a vaccine, Carl, it's only 40% effective. Now we know that this current strain of COVID is not as lethal. But that's a huge number of people. I mean, we all know people. I mean, every week I come in and there's more people I know are sick, and we're all vaccinated. So people have it. It's worse than the flu in some cases, but a lot of times less.
Yep.
This is all worse than the flu. So I just think that they're totally unprepared.
China's a huge element. By the way, yesterday was the first time since 2020 S&P gained 2% without Apple's help, with Apple in the red. Well, pretty amazing.
I mean, yesterday was just, I did a piece. I felt horrible. I did a show last night, which basically said it was a dream. It was one of those like dream episodes, you know, they have the dream.
Sure.
Yeah, I'm reading some Stephen King right now. It's very Stephen King dreaming, where things are good and then they go bad. King, by the way, will be our Charles Dickens.
Yes, you've mentioned that many times.
Well, I just think that you should be reading Stephen King.
I have read a few of his
Did you read 1964?
I read 1963.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.